Okay, we're gonna go riding today. Mountain bike is the weapon of choice. Where we going, I don't know. Pero ready na. So, yeah, join me. It will be fun. Grabe. It's supposedly it is spring now. In fact, second month of spring na. But, medyo still cold in the morning. Or I'm not just used to it anymore. I remember in the past, it doesn't matter if it's winter, if it doesn't matter if it's negative something. Ride kami with the troops, with my biking buddies. Those were the good old days, as they say. Wala tumatanda na. Then, madami ng mga activities, responsibility. But yeah, okay naman. For sure, there will be a lot of people riding today because it's the long weekend. So, it's gonna be fun. We'll see where we go. Nice. So, dito na tayo. We're close to the shopping center. So, yun. Ganda ng verse talaga kanina. So, start the day right, di ba? That's what we should be doing. So, first, devotion. Spend time sa word, prayers. And then, ito naman, physical. Diba? Kailangan kasi, we are three-part being. Mind, body, and spirit. So, kinakailangan all those three parts, stick natin yung box. So far naman, hindi naman masyadong maraming cars for a Saturday morning. But, like what I said, wala pa ako sa Windsor Road. So, makikita natin siya doon. By the way, my friend, ang ganda ng verse of the day. Matthew 7:8. And it's all about seeking, asking, and you shall receive. So, a lot of times, when we pray, alam natin na sinasagot naman yun eh. But most of the time, we're so impatient. Ang Panginoon pa naman natin, ang kagandaan sa Kanya, hindi siya nagmamadali. So, kapag hindi mo pa nakukuha yung prayers, we haven't received it yet, that means He's preparing something better or not yet, but He always answers prayer. So, yeah, I just want to share that in my heart. Yun ang aking pinaniniwalaan most of the time. So, ang daming runners as well, Ayan, tatawid na tayo. Okay, press. Ayan, katawid na tayo. Next naman, tatawid tayo sa kabila. Yung last part. Ayan, dito na tayo sa bike lane, Windsor Road. You can see, ayan, highway. Ang daming mga sasakyan. But if you're on the road, using a road bike, diyan okay naman, safe naman. Many times, countless of times, I don't know how many times that we've ridden this path, this way, this route. But yeah, so it's a good time to test the microphone as well of the camera. So I've got the Mic Mini 3 or the Mic Mini, sorry. Tapos I've got the dead cat, the wind noise reduction thing on. I wonder what's in that other side. Tignan natin, mukhang maganda. Pahinga muna tayo, my friend. Rest time. But look guys, look what I've discovered. Meron palang semi-park here in this area. Safe. Okay mag-bike, okay mag-walk. So, ayan So I came from that side, which is the busy area, right? The Windsor Road. And then there's a left turn that you can enter. Yan ang kinakatakot ko. Oh my goodness, baka madami ditong magpie. I hope not. So, tuloy, ride na ulit tayo. Tignan natin. Have to be cautious as well. The swooping magpie season. So yes, nice quiet area. I think this is just new. Part of, when they built that new road. So, tignan natin. Ayan part ng new road. So, okay dito. So, if you wanna ride sa grass, you can. If you wanna ride sa pathway, pwede rin. Looks like it's a good area to train. So, that's the advantage of the mountain bike, to be honest. With road, talagang all about speed, no? And, syempre, you can't ride in this kind of terrain. But with mountain bike, you have so many options. Then, it's playful as well. You can jump. Ayun, sinubok. Nakakabit pa ang mic. It's a small area and I'm pretty sure they're gonna build something. So, connected there. Balik na tayo doon sa other side. So, I'm hoping we're capturing this video. It's gonna be good, I'm hoping. It's like what I said, it's my first time using the lanyard magnetic. So, we'll see. There's still so many houses being built in the area. I just remember when we were still living in Glenwood in that early 2000s. This was all mountain, not mountain, sorry, hills. And I remember there used to be a driving range, golf course driving range in the area. Morning, that guy, I think I know him way back pa. He's really into running and cycling as well. I believe na siya yung nagra-run sa M7, nagra-ride sa M7 too. I'm not sure if it's a triathlete. But yeah, winner. Okay, tawid tayo. Safe naman. And then we stay in the middle. Left, right, left. Safe. Oh. Ayan. Nandito na tayo. Okay. We're going back na, guys. Okay na ang ating exercise. It's nice talaga if you get that, sun power. So, it boosts your mood, the energy. Morning. And also, guys, by the way, a friendly reminder, my good friend, always wear helmet when you ride a bike. And if you're gonna do extreme mountain biking, make sure you've got all the pads. Safety first, as we always like to say. Panalo. Grabe. I like how small the camera is. When I used to put the Action 4 in the chest mount, although Action 4 is already small, I can still feel it. It's the chest, but with the Nano, and the lanyard, great combo. It's like you're not wearing anything. And then you can, also move it around. Oh, diba? Oh, yan. Right, left. But I don't have an idea yet of the quality of this video. First go with the bike. So, we'll see. All right, we're back. That was a good hour ride. 16 Ks. Kapagod. Now, it's time to do the chores. Thanks for joining. And until next time, the best is yet to come. God bless. Peace. Boom, yeah.